Do you know how to collect luggage at the airport? 10 easy steps for stress-free arrival. Hey everyone, welcome back. Landing after a long flight is exciting, but collecting your luggage can feel overwhelming, especially if it's your first time. Today, I'm sharing 10 practical points to make baggage claim smooth and hassle-free. Whether domestic or international, these tips will save you time and stress. Let's get started. Point 1. Prepare before landing. Before the plane touches down, check your airline app or boarding pass for your flight number. Note any special tags on your bags, like priority or fragile. Fill out the baggage tag details clearly with your name, phone, and destination. This helps if anything goes wrong. Point 2. Follow the signs quickly. After deplaning, look for baggage claim or arrivals signs. Follow the crowd but move at a steady pace. In big airports, use moving walkways. Domestic arrivals usually head straight to baggage claim. International passengers clear immigration first. Point 3. Check the carousel number. Head to the baggage claim area and look at the digital screens. Match your flight number to the correct carousel. It usually appears 10 to 20 minutes after landing. Don't guess, wrong carousel means wasted time. Point 4. Understand wait times. Bags can take 15 to 45 minutes to appear. Priority and first-class luggage often come out first. Use this time to fill out any arrival forms or check your phone. Stay patient, rushing won't speed it up. Point 5. Position yourself smartly. Stand back from the carousel until you spot your bag. Don't crowd the belt, it blocks others and creates chaos. Keep an eye on the opening where bags emerge for the best view. Point 6. Identify your luggage fast. Spot your bag by its color, size, ribbons, or unique tags. Many bags look alike, so add a bright strap or sticker next time. Grab it quickly but safely. Lift with your knees to avoid injury. Point 7. International versus domestic differences. On international flights, you often collect bags before customs. Clear immigration, pick up luggage, then go through customs. For connecting flights, check if you need to recheck bags or if they're transferred automatically. Point 8. Handle problems immediately. If your bag is missing, delayed, or damaged, report it right away at the airline's baggage service desk before leaving the airport. Keep your baggage claim ticket handy. Take photos of your bag and contents for records. Point 9. Security and theft awareness. Never leave your bags unattended. Watch for pickpockets in crowded areas. Keep valuables in your carry-on. If traveling with kids, keep them close. Stay alert until you exit the airport. Point 10. Exit smoothly and final tips. After collecting, head to ground transport, taxis, or ride shares. Use a cart if you have heavy bags. Download your airline's app for real-time updates. Pro tip: travel with a portable scale and always photograph packed bags before checking in. There you have it, 10 simple points to master airport baggage claim. Traveling gets easier with preparation. If this helped, like, subscribe, and comment your biggest airport stress below. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.